Heyo, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make thousands per day like me doing CPA marketing and Facebook ads. All right, I use other ad networks also to drive to my funnel, but this is a strategy with just Facebook. All right, to affiliate offers. I will show you the funnel in this video that you can win on the first try, not fail. All right, and I'll share with you great strategies, and I'll show you how to actually do Facebook ads profitably. So let's do this. All right, so some really cool methods. Don't do reach first off. Do not do awareness. Conversions are unique. Certain offers, just to get started here, certain offers can actually let you put your Facebook pixel inside of the offer itself. Okay, so I'd look into that. Ask your affiliate manager if, hey, is this offer allowed? In Peerfly, for example, they actually have an option that will show you, hey, you could put a pixel in this one, and the tools drop down, it'll tell you. So there's very few, by the way. But that's just one thing. Another thing is conversions. You can connect your Facebook. See, Facebook's great with the Facebook pixel. You can leverage that a lot. With e-commerce, a lot of people do this, but affiliate marketers can do this too. So with your opt-in page, and you're going to want to have an opt-in page and collect those email addresses. Otherwise, you're just going to lose right off the bat. You have a death sentence instantly, you won't be successful. Yes, you can do it without collecting an email address, but it is not best practices. You have to test like crazy and optimize like crazy when you're not owning any of the traffic. But if you did own all the traffic, which is collecting email addresses, you can set up a funnel, which an automated sequence funnel with an email sequence, and you can promote more offers and your average order value for your whole funnel. All right, throughout however long it's going to run, maybe a month, it could equate to 30 to 50 bucks or more. Mine's around 50 bucks personally, and that is how you can do it. So you put your Facebook pixel into the opt-in page, and you are collecting the conversion for a lead, not a sale, like you do in Shopify, okay? Or if you were doing a sale inside the affiliate offer itself. But anyways, just wanted to let you know that that's a cool way to do it. Traffic, all right. Traffic is great because you're just paying per click, and that's no risk to you or the network. If you're doing on a CPM basis, see, I'm explaining this very in detail for you guys. So if you're doing this in a CPM basis like this, you're going to want high click-through rates. Typically, Facebook knows the users very well, so they know people that click, people that are more likely to engage, and people that don't do anything, but you can just reach them. So that's what this is. It's not very good. I've tested everything here. And yeah, you're paying per 1,000, and it's very cheap. Yes, indeed. But your clicks it's just like to get brand awareness. So your clicks aren't very high at all. So just wanted you to know that. So it's a risk to you and not to the network at all, because all they have to do is serve your ad out there. They're not having to guarantee a click or anything like that. So very important to know that. Next, you could do video views. And actually, also I want to explain real quick, you need to have a business account. With a personal account, you're not able to have a ton of pixels, but with a business account, you can have up to 100. So that's pretty self-explanatory there. Basically, with a personal account, you can only have like 3 or something like that. And I do not recommend that to anyone. You need Facebook pixels if you're running Facebook ads, okay? You need it on your landing page, and then you can run lookalike audiences for people that actually click. You could have it on one of your back-end pages into your funnel. And these are more likely people to go through your funnel, for example. And that results in more clicks. All right, so you really need a Facebook pixel. You need a Facebook pixel for this if you're doing this, for a lookalike audience, all these things. But anyways, I was talking about video views, and videos are king. If you can make a viral video or something like that regarding your niche and your offer, then you're set. And the best thing to do with social ads and Facebook ads is offer something for free, and that's exactly what we're doing when we're collecting an email address. And I'll explain that in a minute. You offer more than one thing for free, like I do. So video views, all right? You set up the video, and you can also into custom audiences, make a custom audience of people that actually watch the video 75% or 90%, and then those are more hot people. You can set up a lookalike audience for that. So that's a really cool method. Engagement is cool. It's basically pay per engagement, so you're going to get less. Basically, it's kind of equivalent to cost per click because you're also paying for a like, a comment on it, a share, anything that engages, even a profile click or a link click. So you pay for all of that. It's basically equal to traffic. Video views, you can also link to your website. Okay, it's more engaging, so it does work. You just need a good video, okay, that explains what it is. People are more inclined to watch a video than an image. And in my course, by the way, I teach the exact images and videos that actually get clicks and the type of ad copy that gets clicks. Like, I could just tell you generically like I'm doing now, but this isn't really going to help you as much as the course is going to help you, because I share everything, all right, all the secrets. So get that now. But now we're going to talk about traffic. All right, and traffic is no risk to you or the network. All right, and you're just paying per click, and that's what I do. I just drive traffic. So moving on to show you how to do targeting. Alrighty. So here we are. And basically you just do generic targeting in the beginning, and you want to split test a lot of things. If you go over here and you go to audience insights, you're able to look for different audiences inside your niche. Okay. And that's a very, very powerful tool. I suggest look into that before you actually start. But for example, we're just going to talk about this. Everyone who lives in this location, okay, not everyone just in the location, but everyone who lives there. I like to do worldwide, just depends on what your main offer actually accepts traffic-wise. Definitely you should select a gender that you know very well that will do good. By the way, with Shopify, you can just be broad and have a Facebook pixel for purchase, and they'll just find you. It's a cakewalk. They'll just find you freaking buyers like crazy. So that's really cool. But with affiliate marketing, like with advertising in general, you need to be in the red before you see green, and in business in general, you need to be in the red before you see green. So it's all about figuring out what works, then go to the breakdown and look at all your data, figure out what actually is doing well, and kill what doesn't work. Also, what I like to do is I duplicate the ad sets that actually work, and there's a button you can do that. You'll see it. All right, so you can add the locations you want to do. So United Kingdom, if you want to do that, like the tier 1 countries. Australia. I usually spell this wrong. Oh, there we go. All right, we'll just do those 3 for now, just to explain this. And you're going to want to have more than one ad set, all right? So you make multiple ad sets. I won't go into that. We're just going to create one right now. But, okay, moving on. Let's say we're doing health niche, women, 18. I'm going to do a little higher, people with actual money. So 30 to 50. Definitely English. So you just say English all. All right, moving on to the next thing is you can do engaged shoppers, especially if you're doing Shopify drop shipping. But I could just literally be generic, say health. But if I do the custom audience insights, the audience insights tool, I can literally see the specific audiences. I can split test with the same kind of all this stuff, but different detailed targeting. I can figure out which targeting is working best for my overall campaign, and that's huge. And at the same time, guys, all right, you're building up. You can do suggestions, by the way. You're building up that pixel data, all right, for clicks or for even conversions, and then all you do is create that custom audience after your pixel has enough data. You create that custom audience, and then Facebook will run it and basically pull out people very, very similar to that pixel data, and you'll get a ton more people without much work, like much work at all. So that's what that's all about. And then you're just running traffic for a long, long time consistently. Okay. We're typically going to want to do mobile. It's cheaper. All right. And all we're doing is just our whole goal here is to collect email addresses, and we'll make sales on our main offers, hopefully. But all right. So we're going to run on, nope, not that. Get rid of that. Oops. Facebook newsfeed and Instagram feed is what we're doing. I'm just getting rid of all these. All right. And so you do that. You got it on Facebook, Instagram. Cool. Only when connected to Wi-Fi has to do with, hey, they're in a more comfortable situation. They're not on the go using data. I like to click that because it means they're at a more better environment. Also, you can figure out, I suggest just leave these how they are, but more affluent people use iOS devices, less affluent use Android, just so you know. So that's something to know about, but you can split test that if you want. All right, but typically people with more money use Apple devices, so good to know, right? Let's see, moving on. Daily budget, you can set that how you want. Lifetime budget is cool. Like, you can just set your total budget, and Facebook will just use it over that duration of time, and you set the start and end time, which is very important. Cost controlled, like how much you're on a pay-per-click. I recommend keep it on auto, or if you're very aggressive, it's just like an auction. So you'll just be one above the highest cost per click bid. So you could literally do $5. I won't spend $5, but it'll be above whoever is being competitive, okay, in that sector. So just be aware of that. Unless you just want to do automatic, that's easy. But if you want to do competitive, if you're going to do a cap, don't just do a super low cap. You won't get any clicks. Do a super high cap if you're doing manual. That is what I want to teach you there. Moving on to the next thing is you want to have a start date. All right. So, and you're going to want, let's see if it even freaking will work for me. I hate when I do this. Anyway, so you go to 12 a.m. You go to 12 a.m. and it'll start at 12 a.m. So that's the beginning of a new day, because Facebook will spend your whole budget and make it way, way more costly per click if you're running it halfway through the day or towards the end of the day. So that's very important to know, guys. And then you can get rid of that end date thing when you're inside of your ad set, inside of your ads manager. You can select your whole targeting and you can get rid of the end date, say no end date or whatever the button is. And that's that. Okay. And then you'll spend no more than this much to run for 30 days. Okay. Wow. All right. You want to be per link click, not impression. So switch that. And then you move on to creating the ad. If you don't know how to create the ad, I teach that in my course, exactly like the creatives that work and the ad copy that works. So check that out for sure. All right. If you're not getting the course, save up for the course. It will change your life. All right. And I hope this was helpful for you for the ad targeting. Now we're moving on to the funnel. All right. Here's the funnel. Facebook and Instagram. And I forgot to mention regarding traffic, you can also do landing page views. All right. I don't know if they're, yep, here it is. So landing page views is cool. You'd have to put your pixel on the landing page, and it's cool because you'll build up that pixel data anyway, and they only charge you for every time someone actually views your landing page instead of just clicks a link. So that's very important to understand. And ow, sorry, I just poked my eye. Ow. Okay. Ow. Okay. Facebook stories. I want to talk about that. I want to talk about other angles you can use. So messenger box is cool. It doesn't matter what you use, guys. It just matters that you're sending traffic that is targeting your correct audience, so you're reaching them in different areas. Typically, your click-through rate will be better just in the feed and in stories, but you could just use other methods too to get more traffic. Most people don't try the other methods. I just want to let you know, yes, it's possible. Okay, typically I just do Facebook newsfeed and Instagram stories and Facebook stories, but you can do other methods too. All right. Swipe up's cool because they know all you have to do is swipe up, plus it's fun to swipe up instead of just click something. So Facebook stories are great and they're typically cheaper. So just know that. But we're not trying to be cheaper. We're just trying to send traffic and we know our numbers and we're profitable because we are selling a lot and we have a profitable funnel. So I'll get into that. But yeah, you can do landing page views. Okay, now moving on. My eye is getting better if you're wondering. All right, so you send them to this free stuff. Okay, so your ad is all about how they're getting something for free. I'm not going to go into my secrets about how to actually get super high click-through rates, but you'll learn that in the course and you'll be mind blown. Free stuff, value stacked. All right, so you're stacking a ton of value, not just one thing for free. This is a no-brainer for these people, all right? Your target audience is going to love you and come to you because you have a ton of free stuff, all right? You collect the email and you send it through an email sequence. All right, and the email sequence could go on for hundreds of emails like I do, or you could do like 20, and you could space them out over a duration of time, and you give value, you pitch, you storytell, you do all sorts of different things in each email. People love stories, by the way. You can share testimonials about things. You just get them excited about the offer. All sorts of different things you can do in each email. You could just give tips and value and stuff like that. It's up to you. And that is what the email sequence is. And then here we have, boom. And you can do an email blast, and that's what this is. You do email blasts when new offers come out, and you should be making, why this is so cool. And it's not just, hey, you're losing money, guys. You're literally gaining a subscription model here. So you collect the email address, and for every freaking email you get monthly, you should be earning $1 per month per email address you get. Okay, so you're actually building a huge subscription model here. That's why it's so powerful. That's why I'm making thousands of dollars a day, because I have hundreds of thousands of emails at this point. So that is how that works. Okay, and monthly you can make a ton of money. So what you do and why that works, maybe off the first month, sure, you're going to make a lot more money off that email, but then every month, maybe weekly, you'll have a new offer you're promoting to your list. You just find new offers in your niche, guys, doing Offer Vault or in your own networks. You're finding new offers to promote, and that's what you do. And also, real quick, some offers, actually a lot of offers, don't even like email traffic. So what you do is you do use email traffic, but you send them to a landing page, landing page with a one button click through, and then you just send them to the offer through there. So you don't direct link with email, is basically what I'm trying to say. You just send them to your landing page, which is very, very quick. It takes you 2 minutes with Clickfunnels and many minutes with Builderall. If you use Builderall, get Clickfunnels. Link is in the description. I'm sorry to diss Builderall, but yeah. Okay, email blast. All right, next is automated sequence. All right, that's what that is. All right, moving on to the next thing is right after this, they are going to either go through your personal products. So if you're using ClickFunnels, this is the best option for this whole strategy, which is having your own products. You have a low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket right here. And you just send them through the funnel, and your average order value is great, and your cost to acquire a customer is great, and you're just spending money, making money, and then in your back end, you're making a lot more money too. So that's one strategy. Or you can just literally keep it all simple and just promote other people's products, and you know what your best offer is or an offer you want to do as the main offer here, and you literally redirect right after to the offer, okay? Or you can redirect to another landing page, and then they click through, so they're pre-sold on another landing page, okay, warmed up, and then they are sent to the offer. And sorry. And then to right here, wait, I want to do sales video picture here. This is powerful. So video sales letter, all right? Video sales letters are huge. You can get them excited about the offer. We're just going to actually show this strategy with this because this is more powerful than just direct linking. You got a sales video in between. Excite them. So you got a VSL, excite. I don't even know how to spell anymore. Excite them and inform them. All right, excite and inform them. Whoopsie. And then what happens here is you're giving a bonus maybe. So you could give more bonuses, and already reciprocity is kicked in, okay? And mere exposure tendency is also kicked in. So they're getting offered something, they're more likely to buy anyway because they're offered it. And they can use other cognitive biases to convert. And that's all I use when I do marketing and sales is I literally refer back to the 25 cognitive biases, which I actually have an info product on that. You can check out my courses. Links are in the description to check out all the courses. Then you go to the cognitive bias course. But cognitive biases are so powerful. And basically reciprocity is what's going on here. You're giving value to them, everything. They're more likely to give back. And then right here, you're also giving more value. So you might add more bonuses onto the offer right here. Typically, they're going to be info product bonuses. All right. So just say, hey, you get these bonuses if you buy this offer that's coming up. And then they get the bonuses when they buy. All right. And how did they do that? They could show you the receipt of the proof they bought. And then you just send them an email, stuff like that. All right. And then I'm thinking about building actually a platform where you can actually add bonuses easily to any offer and a way to track that. So that's very, very powerful, and that could make me a lot of money along with other ideas I have. But this is the whole strategy pretty much. Let's see if I miss anything. Yep, that's it. And yeah, with Facebook ads, this is a simple strategy. If you want to see my super funnel that I show, it goes more in depth. I even show numbers and a value ladder for you, so everything is more in depth. In the course, I share actually add-on things to this that can make you even more money, so check that out. I'm telling you right now, the course is the best. Okay, and then I hope you guys like this. Check out links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, you're going to have good luck forever. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, fam.